I'm Sarah Sawyer. We are Dermatology and Laser of Alabama. I have with me Margo Maples, our physician's assistant, and Michelle Alvis, our head body shaping technician. And we would like to talk to you about Z Wave and how this technology has helped our body shaping practice. When I first heard of it, the idea was that this was a shockwave therapy that actually mobilized dead fat cells out of the area after they were treated and stimulated lymphatic drainage and blood flow to the treated area. So for many reasons, both removing the fat cells and stimulating metabolism in the treatment area, this has added immensely to patient results. So I have Margo with me because she is the consultant for most patients who are seeking consults for body shaping technologies in our office. Now, we have 6 different devices that treat the body in our office, but we use Z Wave with most of them. And so, Margo, tell us how you talk about this with patients.
So the beauty in Z Wave is initially it set us apart. We were one of the first in Birmingham to offer anything other than a manual massage to follow cool sculpting. Patients on a day-to-day basis would complain about the pain associated with that manual massage. So the beauty
After cryolipolysis?
After cryolipolysis, yes ma'am. And then having the ability to have an adjunct treatment that made it so that the patient was comfortable, but also drastically enhanced our results. It was a standout for us. You know, we saw great improvement. Patients were overall very pleased, and it became a reason that people came to our practice. We did something different, and in a patient's mind, it was something that set us apart. So I felt like it was nice to be able to boast about Z Wave.
And in the early cryolipolysis research, they showed early on that massage in the treatment area delivered a better outcome. It delivered a quicker outcome and a better outcome. So you can imagine if hand massage was good for this, that shockwave therapy was much, much better. In addition, the pain of hand massage afterwards, I had that done personally, and I really wanted you to stop. And Z Wave's completely different. It's painless, and so not only are you getting a much more effective way of mobilizing that tissue, but it didn't hurt. And patients are seeing results much more quickly. And we all know today's cosmetic patient is impatient. And I'm one of them. But Michelle, talk more about what you're seeing.
It's also more consistent because we're using the same energy. And so if you're doing flanks and you're doing a hand massage, I mean, just human error, you may do, 2 minutes, you may not massage the same. So it's very consistent because we're using the same energy and the same number of pulses. So you just get this really nice, even result.
There are other times we use Z Wave. So it's indicated for cellulite. And what we have found is that it works very well for cellulite, both with and without other technologies. So Michelle is using Z Wave with our radiofrequency and ultrasound tightening procedure for cellulite.
So we use Xless Ultra, and so the Xless can actually help break down some of the fat, and you also get really nice tightening, and then you go back over it with the Z Wave to help to kind of with the lymphatic drainage for more smoothing really afterwards, and the results have been just night and day difference using Xless alone versus Xless and Z Wave.
And we all know with cellulite that it's really a metabolic problem in that zone. So there are fibrous bands, and there is fat in the area, but most of the time the reason that the skin takes on that dimpled appearance is because the metabolism in the area is slow and poor. And so shockwave therapy is perfect for this because, again, we're mobilizing fluid in and out of the area. We're stimulating blood flow to the area, and we're getting lymphatic drainage to pull the toxic stuff out of the area. Post liposuction, it can be great when people are healing and they're feeling lumps and bumps. So we've had several referrals to our office for post liposuction treatment because, again, sometimes the tissue gets stagnant or scar tissue can develop in the area, and so the Z Wave helps keep that from happening. And again, it's going to give that result that much sooner. We love our Z Wave. We use it daily, multiple times a day.
All day.
And we've really seen it boost our body shaping practice.